everyone. So long time no see. Well, few, whatever. Out and about today, just me. Swinging the CDX as normal. Tiger diggers. Nothing's changed since last year, except I've got a cracker of a target, and I'd like to dig it with you. So, just show you the target, guys. Just here. Oh, beautiful. Alright guys, so it's just here. I've just hit it, you can see it. Oh, don't tell me. Oh no, it's just it's a nice early 1928 sixpence, guys. Such a real beauty. That'll be number 20 for this year. So yeah, awesome. On to the next. Right guys, got a cracker of a signal just here. Oh, the camera's in the way, but anyways. Alright, here it is. I don't know what it is. It looks like just a copper ring. Yeah, guys, just a copper washer. Bugger. Oh well. On with the next. Alrighty, guys, you can see I've dug this one. It was just here. Nice company, guys. See if I can get a date quickly. Oh, nice early one too. 1911. Beauty. Sweet. On to the next. Alrighty, guys. Just here it says 2 inches. It's 1236. Not far away from where that penny was. The penny was just here. So this could be a half penny. Could be just in here somewhere. Righty guys, I don't know if you can see that. Just here. Oh, it is. Oh, it is. 1877. Oh, yes. That'll clean up nice with a bit of spit, guys. I don't know if you can see the date just down here. She's in nice condition. Oh, you ripper. 1 penny. Says that lady on the back. One of them. Woohoo! 1877. Alright guys, on to the next. Alright guys, got a 1241 here. Still up here in the side wall. Don't know. Oh yeah, look, there we go guys. It's just a little 1 cent. Little brown. Ow! Jeez, so the ankle. Little brown bugger. Righty guys, I just dug this. I think it's it's got some writing on it. It's got some writing on it there. It says I don't know what it says there, guys. Oh, I can't even see really, guys. Too busy worrying about myself. Yeah, it's got some writing on it there. So I think these are like the valve stems off the Fords, but I don't know. That's a real cool find, guys. I'm pretty sure that's my first. Sweet. Oh, jeez. Sorry, guys. There we go. Awesome. On to the next. Alright, guys. I've got a 1226 thereabouts, and just dug down, as you can see here, and out pops this jar, which I'm guessing it's going to be makeup, I think. And this tiny little bottle with L&T on the bottom. So that's pretty sweet, guys. Now to find the target. Oops. Alright, here we go, guys. So here, this is the 1226 would be in this button. That's pretty cool, guys. A little 4-hole button. Nothing on it, but that's really cool. I like that. Been a while since I dug one. Alright, guys, on to the next. Alright, guys, I've got a one here. Well, that is. Shut up. I don't know what that is, guys. It's like a little knob off something. So, I don't know. Cool. Oh, on to the next. Alrighty, guys, I just dug this. It was a 1237. A nice 3/4 halfpenny. See if we can get the date. No. Oh well. Busted up penny, I'll take it. On to the next. Well, guys, as you can see, I've just put the digger in here, popped out that bit of soil there. And just here. Oh wow, another cob penny. She's pretty crusty, that one. So that was probably, I don't know, it was double bleeping, guys, so yeah. It's a 1922, guys, so sweet. But yeah, guys, I just dug this. It's like a big bit of brass, maybe. It's got measurements on it, 150, 160, 130. Whoop. And so on. So yeah, I don't know what that is, guys, but it's cool. So, alright, on to the next before I get eaten alive. Alright, guys, got a target just here. Just here, guys. I got it. Hit it good. It's a 1942 root penny, guys, so that's pretty sweet. Not very deep down, as you see. Alright, let's see if we can get another one. Alright, g'day everyone. So this is the wrap up side of the hunt. Finished the night. Didn't do too bad, but yeah, so we'll take a look and I'll guide you through what I found. So I've got two Commonwealth pennies here, guys, 1911, 1923. There's that broken cut penny. That's a roux penny. There's the British penny, guys. It's really nice. Yeah. Anyways, that's at 6pence. It's number 20 for the year. Button, some lead. There's my Model T Ford valve stem. I thought it was, but I wasn't going to be sure. I wasn't going to say, just in case I was wrong. Some broken watch parts. These cogs were in the same hole. This is that deco bit, guys. I don't know what it is, but maybe nailed onto something wood. Found this little plate. You can see it's shiny. It's just copper, but yeah. Found this little bit, which may be on the bottom of a vase or a candle thing or something. There's that bottle. Oop. Big gear or something. A couple of nice bits of glass. That blue's very nice, pretty thick. Me jar, me cream jar, or whatever they are. A couple of brown buggers, 10 cents. These big old nails, look at them. They're awesome, big square ones. And this, don't know what it is. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, alright, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. G'day everyone, so I'm out and about today with Matt. There's a big fella down there underneath the tree, soaking up some shade. Anyway, so digging along, I'll start doing a bit of filming. A lot of trash, a lot of 1s and 2s, brown buggers, but then I dug a 1134, and out pops this little beauty. You can just see it just here, guys. I'm gonna say she's silver. Yeah, that's a nice little ring, guys. It's actually funny. It's the same park. I'll show you the park landscape. So yeah, all down there is a park, and there's a park playground over there, that way. There's people playing. But over there near that rotundal thing, that's where I found the other ring. And see, it's pretty much identical to that, without the stone. So sweet. Alright guys, on to the next.